In Chaos Control Cloud, it's possible to run a customer returns analysis report. This is done from the Returns area of the system by clicking on the Return Analysis icon. This will open the Customer Returns Analysis report. By using the Filters button, we can filter by date and return reason. The grid will show us the date the return was created, the URN and name of the customer, the code and description of the stock item, the quantity originally sold, how many of the sold quantity were returned, and whether or not there are any items issued out in exchange. The difference column shows the difference in value between the items being returned and any replacement items being sent out, i.e. the net loss or gain. We can then see the percentage of the quantity of the items that were sold that have been returned. And next we have the return reason. In this case it's the reason we've filtered for. And finally the report will tell us who the default supplier for the item is. Thanks for watching.